Yo, what up? So I went crazy on Apex today. I'm done with these accounts. Oh, I got to move this shit off my screen because it eats up too much fucking bandwidth of I can't even hold Discord up for whatever reason. I don't know why. It's just the way it is. Yo, the world above. What up? Jay Styles. Oh, man. I just took a random shot. Super nasty. I think you can make what? You can make $1,500 a day in that account, right? Ooh, we got a little inversion here. Am I going to go for it? We got a higher low. Oh, was this thing going to fucking rip it? Bro, why is that like that? Oh, yeah. Dude, that was fucking straight savage right there. Net $400. Bro, this market's crazy. It's crazy. I'm with you. Easily blow accounts in this market. Easily get them over. I blew 1, 2, 3, 4. I blew 5 evals. Nope. 6 evals, and I passed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm 6 for 12. I'm passing at 50%. Oh, I gotta look, Jay Styles. When I left the stream yesterday, my friend's visiting from Florida. One of my best friends. I had to do shit with the kids, and then I just left. I didn't get back till like midnight. That's my fault, man. I will. I'll handle it tonight. As soon as the stream is done, I got to go coach softball for my kid, and then I'll check everything. Dude, 6 for 6 is even better. What up, Raphael? Dude, up. I would take that. You blow one funded, but up $5,600 in because TPT you get that money. Oh, I'm sure. You know, dude, that's awesome. I mean, I haven't blown an account today that I was not trying to over leverage to pass. Obviously I'm trying to over leverage to to pass is what I was kind of doing. Only on evals, not on funded accounts. What's crazy is when I was on the stream, this account was down $2,000. I got it all the way back up. Tomorrow giveaway on morning stream. There's a chance for you to win tomorrow, an extra entry. I open it up different entries through the day. Only risking 10 points. It's a good idea. 10 points comes quick in this market. Yeah, yo, it was so choppy. It was super choppy. What up, Knob? Good to see you having a good day. Yo, volatility is way up. Uh-oh. Did minis instead of micros? They definitely do. I am. I'm getting it'll be my 4th TPT payout in 5 days. I'm also taking $2,000 from Tradeify today as a payout. What up, Gonzalez? I also took 342 from Elite yesterday and a TPT payout also from yesterday. Yo, daily payouts are the best, man. I make one trade. If it's a winner, I just take my money out. I just know I'm getting anywhere between 50 to 200 bucks a day, and you're just kind of taking it on top of, other payouts that you earn. No, Texas, Tommy. I'd watch out. I would say TPT is my favorite. But there's certain things you can't do in TPT that I do in others. Such as like just a straight buy, move to break even, and then just let it move around because it's end of day. I can't do any testing in TPT because the accounts are more expensive. So I mostly test in Apex. There's certain drawbacks. But as an overall firm, they're probably the best. It's probably them and then my funded futures are the top two that I like. And they're completely different. The rules are different. Things are different. So I kind of get best of both worlds. I'm pretty close to freaking 4 $2,000 Fidias payouts too. It'd be $8,000. When I take money from TPT, how long does it take to the wallet? I request at night, like 10 at night, and usually I have it by the next morning. What up, Keith? Yo, how you been, man? Carolina. Welcome to the stream. By the way, if you're new, you got to subscribe to be added to the duck race or it won't let you in. Just an FYI. Do I use Rise? I do not use Rise. They pay out in, I'll tell you how they pay out through Plaid. They pay out via Plaid. Come on down. Woo! Dun. Wait, the Cove stream clap. What a good trade. What a good trade. Boom. This account's basically at the buffer. So if I hit for like $400 today, I'll get a third payout today. I'll take a payout in Tradeify, Elite, and Take Profit Trader all in one day. I'm trying. Believe me, you can see how much I'm trying. I want to do at least the payout should be at least $300. But I'd like to do 400. Yeah, I mean, Matt, that's what makes TPT the best. On like a day like today, you can just ring it up. I can take multiple payouts in the same day. Yeah, they're all different prop firms. One's Take Profit Trader, one's Elite Trader Funding, and one is Tradeify. Yo, just let it fucking go. Oh, another $150. $115 make me holla. Oh, yeah. Zero consistency rule on funded accounts, Matt. If you ring up a big bill, they pay you out at the end of the day. Yo. But I will say, it's nice that I at least got 2 payouts locked in today because we did it.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm going to come.
No, wrong one.
Big Sister General.
Oh, no. Where is it? They get rid of it? Bro, they got rid of it. Bro, they actually got rid of it. They got rid of the We Did It, Joe.
We did it, Joe.
Bro, they got rid of the other one, though. That's crazy. What's up, Marie? They got rid of the We Did. Holy shit!
We did it. We did it, Joe.
I found it. I found it. Oh, whippy. Very whippy. I mean, that just ripped somebody's face off who was going short right there. It's like a 70-point move. 10 LUs. Tell me you did that in your funded account, Marie. Marie, you get that in your funded? 10 LUs. Oh. Yo, do you just drive up to your old job, go behind your boss, tap him on the shoulder, and when he turns around, you just fucking press your finger right into his face and then leave? I use 50s or 150s, but I'll be honest with you, 25s are not terrible either because it's the profit target is 1500 drawdown. 50s give you 500 extra in drawdown, but you need to hit an extra 1500. I would totally enjoy that. Yo, have you ever seen that movie, What Happens in Vegas? I think it was called Ashton Kutcher. They knock on that dude's door at his apartment. When they open up, they just punch him right in the nuts. And she's like, you know why? And they just walk away. You know why? Oh, man. Can I give some advice? I'll be honest with you. I would just set stops on the day where if you lose $400, you're done. You know, after you lose $400, you're done. What up, Pine? Hold on. One day at a time, bro. Do you have to clear a buffer? Yes, you do have to clear a buffer. Here, you got to get over, so 50,000 account, you need to get over 52,000. Somebody asked about prop firm. That's the link for all the discounts for prop firms that they offer. That's the best link. That will show you all the discounts that are being offered. Somebody asked. I'm scrolling up. Oh my God. What do I think about into close, Kevin? I just play what the market gives me, to be honest with you. It's either going to be a freaking... Well, you have to pass the eval, and then, yeah, you make $2,000 over the thing. It's like every other account. This is a crazy day, Marie. I don't think it's all going to be like this. I mean, this is wild. I hope every day is like this. Oh, that sucks, man. Oh, I'm just. Haven't had time to trade all day, but it's still up 800. Can't beat it. Hello, scalper. I wanted to short 2570s, but didn't pull the trigger. Then the rug came. Got to be in it to win it. Got to risk it for the biscuit. There's no biscuit if you're not risking it. I'm just trying to scalp this. Yo, that's the problem with TPTs. You can't pass in one day, but you can get paid out in one day. No risk, no Rari. What up, Romeo? Yeah. Today's also the last day for Apex $38 PAs. Not $38. $85. $85 PAs. What lifetime fee? Yo, base hits is what's going to grow the account, man. Everybody wants these fucking massive home runs, Matt. Base hits will grow your account. Oh, just push it. Get me out of this. Get me out of this 5-piece McNugget. Bro, I'm so worried in this fucking market. Yo. Oh! Oh! Yo, who's getting that fucking payout, boys? Yo, payout. Pay me. Fucking pay me. Yo, I'm going to request a payout at the end of the day. 3 payouts today. 3 payouts today. Boom. 3 payouts. Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Elite. Psha! Boom. That's how it's done. Woo! Ric Flair style. Woo! Oh, that was a fucking move. Yo, I followed that same trade with 4 minis in Apex eval. I passed that too. Just passed a seventh Apex account. Oh man. I wonder how many accounts were blown today. I don't know. So I liked it when not down here, but I liked this consolidation. You're back over 700 and they just pushed right out of it. And does the extra go towards the buffer? Not what are you talking about? You make 3,000, you start back over, And then after you go over $2,000, you can just withdraw. Trump is talking to Putin right now. Somebody said Putin, the Putin meeting was today. He's gonna be like, oh, Putin, good guy, just bad decision. Made a bad decision, but he's a good guy. Yeah, playing small is probably a good idea, you know? Playing small is probably a really good idea. It's 5 days to pass, so you can do 50% in one day, 50% in another day, and then just flip micros, Keith. Yeah. You can do the whole 3K in 2 days and then just flip. Yeah. Bro, I feel so good. I feel so good, Steven. I took out 2 payouts yesterday. For one was TPT, one was Elite. And today is going to be another Elite, another TPT, and then I sprinkle in some Tradeify. The best bet is with Tradeify, I get my Lambo certificate. But I bet you Marie grabbed the bottom and she's still holding. No, Kevin. I only get a I did talk about this earlier. I only get them when they do Beat the Beast challenge. I won't buy an account unless they do Beat the Beast. Oh, you're done for the day? I don't blame you. 10 LUs in a day is you got to be close to a payout because you just said the other day you made $1,000 basically 2 days in a row, and now today you're up. So I would assume you're right there for a payouts, right? How close are you to a payout? You got to be over the buffer at least. Tell me you got like a $20,000 payout coming. That'd be awesome. Oh my God, that was so good. I just realized I can't even trade any more of these accounts. You're right there. So what's good about that is I know you're talking Apex. So if you're right under 2,600, your drawdown is now static. You have no more trailing drawdown. It's a good spot to be at. I'm just, yeah, once you're static, I mean, you don't have to worry. You can do a lot of things. And once you go past it a little bit, where your drawdown is like $3,500, $4,000, then you can really like play around. Because then you're far enough away from the losing the account that you could get it not more aggressive, but you can go to break even and just kind of let it move. That was such a good bounce. So the thing with these accounts is you don't want to do too much in one day. If you do too much in one day, it messes your consistency rule up and shit. You kind of want to just chill out. And I can't trade this account because I took a payout, so I'm waiting for them to take the money out. I can't trade this account. This is at a payout, or this is the one at a payout. Am I just gonna? Yo, Kevin, those are so hard to pass, man. Yeah, I probably wouldn't be doing that. The highest I go is 150s. Don't get me wrong. If you could pass, but see, like, what's the deal? Okay, so you pass that, right? Your drawdown is what? 7,500 is the drawdown. Why don't you just pass at 250 and have 6,500 or drawdown, and you got to get 5,000 less in profit? You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no real benefit from a 300 over a 250. You know, the big jump is, you know, what is it, 4,500 or 5,000 drawdown to 6,500. I would stick to the 150s if you want to go bigger. You know, 150s. Yo, damn, I wish every day was like this. I wouldn't have to tell people to spread their cheeks and cough anymore. TJ secretly enjoys it though. Yeah, I think TJ's in jail. Oh. What am I going to do here? I feel like I need a I feel like I need some other accounts to play with, so I'm going to get a My Funded Futures account to play on the stream. I'm literally at the point that Yo, I think I just got lucky. Are you going to give us a My Funded Futures account? I don't know, Christian. Maybe. I don't know. Are you talking about the duck race? Are you talking about duck racing? I just fired up 2 of these things. Does trade day have consistency rules on evals? Yes, 30%. I might give you a whammy, man. You might get a whammy. Who's giving out whammies besides here? It's the only place you can get a whammy. What's the duck race? We just do some duck races for people. People can win an account. We give accounts away. Utilize doing the duck race. If you've seen anybody online doing races, ducks, you name it, any other shit, just remember, I brought all of that to the prop space. Just an FYI. None of that shit was here. No one even knew about it. Yeah, one of the accounts I forgot to do it, Raphael. Yo, I give him the whammy image in an email. I'll be honest with you, I'm just looking to ring this up to. I'm looking to pass this and then just ring up a massive fucking account. You won't be going back to any of those. A couple other channels keep it real, encourage people to cheer for success, and don't talk down to you. Who was talking down to you, Captain? That sucks. I don't know why you would talk down to anybody. I wouldn't talk down to anybody in general. I'm not really into talking down to anybody. I kind of feel like we're just all hanging out. Like, why would I want to hang out with somebody that talks down to me? You know what I'm saying? I feel like, honestly, this is going to sound crazy, right? Like, I know some people who stream think they're like up here, but like, I just feel like we're just all hanging out together. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like we're all, it's just a community. I'm just one of the guys in the community. That's all. It's not one person's above anybody. It's just part of the community. That's how I feel. You know? Yo, gold just goes crazy, man. Yo, I said it yesterday on the stream. I got off the stream at the end of the day. I said, gold's going to go make new highs. It was recorded. You can go watch. But the reason I liked gold was, where were we? It broke highs here and then it had that huge dip, and all it did was consolidate all day. Oh, I actually made money on this move. Is the move I made money on. I bought on this breakout. My stop was down here. So I bought on this, and then I got out somewhere around here. Yo, use coupon code COVETRADER for a tire rotation and got a free lube job. around back. Yeah, I appreciate it, Captain. I do. Yeah, why I don't people some people that stream feel like they have to put others down to make them feel better, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, 6K in profit gets you 3K for $77. Yeah, that's the deal. Seems like a pretty good deal. I don't know. They have end of day, Raphael. So I'm going to see if I can ring it up. These are surprisingly large. Not the first time. Oh, the moves. Yes, the moves are surprisingly large today. 1,000 on my TPT, 1,500 in a scale. I'm done till 8. Going back to work and see how you go. Yo, later, Keith. Awesome move, man. I don't understand why you can't trade gold with my funded futures. Bro, I don't even I know who he is, but I've never fucking watched it. Kaboosh guys? I don't even know who that is. You have to go in billings and subscription for gold on my funded futures. See, that's what I like about this. I can tell you I don't know what the fuck. I had no idea about that. Fuck that guy. I heard his feet smell. Helpful, what's up? By the way, I was just on the phone with him for an hour. Just had my biggest trading day ever. Holy shit. How you doing, Helpful? What'd you do? Let us know how you did. Damn, 7K? Oh, man. I'm trying to think how I can do this. I can't do this without fucking showing his phone number. Every time he calls me, his photo is an NFT that he paid like $1,000 for that became worthless, and it's a horse. It's a cartoon horse. It's fucking hysterical. I got to activate gold in billing. Dude, I'm going to ask the chat. Yo, how do I activate gold? Bro, remember NFTs? Crazy. Yeah. All right, so I'm just going to go through all the things. Personal settings. It's so crazy that you got to do this. Bro, this is crazy. Dude, I'm just going to... Yo, Mick, you got a question? What's the question? Helpful. Go to billing. All right, I'm in billing. Oh, view market data subscriptions. Ah. Bro, I see it. I just upgraded it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I just upgraded it. Holy shit, I'm not even looking at this. I think once you go over 52,000, it stops. 52,000 or yeah, it depends on the account, but yeah. I just upgraded it. Let me see what happens. Oh shit. I got gold. I got gold, everybody. Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, so if your drawdown is 2,000, once you go over 52,000, it stops. I guess Trump is having some news right now. Hold on to your accounts. Yeah, so I think it's so my drawdown is $2,000. So once you're over $50,000, once you're over $52,000, the drawdown stops. Another winner. Yeah, Captain. Believe me. I know. Feel free to share the stream. Tell people. You want to come out, hang out, have some fun. Let them know. Helpful. You caught a 300 plus move to the downside. Yeah, I guess. Bro, that's a good day, man. That's a massive day. That's a freaking crazy day. Listen, I wish I caught 300 points to the downside. I catch that shit at night when I'm not around. I just let it go. Oh, man. This thing is now, look, it just, the market just died though. Like, it's just chopping after all of this craziness, which has been awesome, by the way. I would almost say we're going to bust out of this thing and back up. Bro, Power Hour has not been great. Tell you what, if it does break this, you might see new lows. Here, let's work this account. See, the one thing I like about end of day is if I can move to break even, I can just let it move. Depends how the giveaway was done, Nao. If it's done how I do it, you get free activation. Because I pay you out of my pocket for the account. If you use a code, if you use like one of those codes from them, you're going to have to pay an activation fee. I'm just getting out. That's why I do it my way, is so you guys get free activation fee. There's, you know, I try to do it with the ones that have no activation fee, especially because there's nothing worse than winning an account and then having to pay $130 activation fee. You know, so I do it my way. My way, I feel like, is better for everybody. Yeah. Well, I don't know. I'm not those guys, so I don't know what they're, you know, I don't know. But I try to do it to make it so you don't have an activation fee. I've done it with accounts that do have an activation fee because it was just the way it went down. But if you look, the majority of the time are accounts with no activation fee. You know, I do a lot of TPTs, a lot of my funded futures, a lot of trade days where you don't have to pay the activation fee. Man of the people, doing it for the people. I do it because I like hanging out, just having fun with people. Oh, man, this wants to give it up. It wants to give it up. That's awesome, though, that I activated gold. How are you red when I come back? I just got these accounts 2 seconds ago. I just bought these accounts. I locked in 3 payouts today, 3 different prop firms. Do I stream every day? I stream every single day. Watch this. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom! Subscribe below. Hit that little bell button down here and get notified when I go live. I'm like magic. Boom, I'm back on this side. Also, if you want to hang out, we have a free Discord. Come hang out at night, in the early morning. That's where you find me. Just subscribe. I remember I was the guy on My Phone the Futures TV. I am that guy. I bought the accounts just, hey, I mean, I'm mostly done. All my accounts are pretty much done. These are, this one's at a payout. This one's waiting for a payout. They're both all at consistency. This hit the daily loss limit. These are all done, these accounts. They're all old. This one's at a $2,000 payout. This is basically at consistency. So I just got 2 more accounts to play with. I always see me on My Phone the Futures. I should get back on maybe one time. I should ask Big Yo. Oh, I was just on 2 weeks ago. I'll hit him up in like another week or so and be like, yo, people are asking for me to get back on. By the way, Cove, I have gotten 2 daily payouts from one TPT giveaway I won from my stream. I appreciate that. That's awesome. By the way, you deserve the clap. I love when people take those accounts and take them to profits because that's what it's about. Oh, man, this thing's just going to fucking dump. The old W's in the chat. Yeah. I got it. Oh, man. Today was an awesome day. I just degened an 8th Apex account today. I'm just seeing if I got to clean any out. It's going to slow this up, but I'll show you on my thing. I think I blew 6 past 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 past. I blew some. I definitely got caught in some massive, like I got caught in a massive fucking down thing earlier. But I passed 8 of them today. Yeah. I'm close. Trailing drawdown is tough. It is. It is. Once you get over the buffer, thinking of long into the fair value gap on the 1 minute here, not financial advice. I suck so bad. I would go for a 9th account, but I think that's where I draw my limit. I'm kind of done in there. Oh man. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. He's in Monaco. They were supposed to come out with straight to funded accounts. They've never done that. They were supposed to do straight to funded for a while, and they just never did it. Duckies are open if you want to join it. Ducky, holy shit. Oh, just do exclamation point Cove Trader and you get added. Yo, what up, Monet? Sean's in here. What up, Sean? The duck race, the winner wins an account. If you win the duck race, you win an account. Duck race, duck race. Or a whammy. Yeah, you enter. Well, you can enter. I opened it up different parts of the stream. So if you're on the stream longer, you get more entries. Kind of rewards people that are wanting to hang around. And that's it. So you'll have more entries, and then we run it at the end of the stream, and we see who wins. We see who gets it. Futures Trader 420. Hey, Cove, did you get an email from me for the? I just figured you were really busy. Oh, I don't think I saw it. I owe Jay Styles. Let me look. I will look right now. The whammy is coming. Bro, no one's gotten it. All right. Let me do one person at a time here. Robinhood legend wants in on Tradeify. What? Wait, what is that, Zabak? Robinhood wants to buy Tradeify? Backup ace? Boom, 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 boom. All right, Jay Styles, you're set. When the duck race? After hours. Gotta join now. All right. Yo, Steven, I don't have an email from you, dude. That's probably why I never got back to you. Steven, that's my email address. I don't have an email from you. Throughout the stream, correct? Wait, we typed the Cove Trader when you put it in the comments. I don't actually put that in the comments. It just says it. It's Streamlabs that says it. Just do !! Cove Trader and you'll be added. It's all automated. I don't actually do it. It's all automated. Yeah, Steven, I don't have an email from you. No email, but if you want, shoot me an email now. Oh, Maximus, I agree on that one. I agree on that one. This is a good market to start selling options because the premiums are going higher when the VIX goes higher. I'm taking a shot. One shot, one opportunity. This is everything I ever wanted. Oh, come on, market. One shot, 3 cups. Yeah, I wonder whatever happened to that. The whole, 2 girls, 1 cup thing. I think it ended up being fake. Obviously, you had to figure it was fake, but I don't ever know what happened to them. I want to get a little bit of money out with this contract. Oh, I was too fucking slow. And then I just go to break even, and now I'm riding a freebie. Bro, that was the craziest. That was when you were growing up, like the first viral video. Everyone's seen it. Don't tell me you haven't seen it. Everyone's seen it. It's like the Tommy and Pam Anderson video. We've all seen it. Everyone's seen it. Yo, what up, Prophet P? Bro. Yeah, everyone, people, I haven't seen it. Yeah, we know you've seen it. Yo, what up, Bad? Nah, Steven, I want to give it to you. I don't get you got to email me though. I want to give it to you. It's yours. You are the community. I want to send it to you. Oh, there's a need, Raphael. There's a need. Everyone's got to see it. I'm just trying to stack some gains. Really, you got to pass these accounts in 3 days because they're 50% consistency. So day one, you could do like $200-300. Day two, you want to get it over the 1,500 marker. And then day three, you finish it all up. So right now, I'm just peppering it. Bro, this thing looks like it wants to give it up. This thing looks like it's just going to limp over. What up, Ham? Don't do it to me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, 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 no. Man, I am exhausted today. I had an amazing trading day, by the way. I think this is the first time I've locked in a payout in 3 different prop firms in one day. I've done 2 a bunch. I don't think I've ever done 3. Come on. Don't go sideways. Macedo. I've done terrible today. What happened, man? Talk to me. What was the big issue today? What was your issue today? Rather, what were you not looking at or what were you looking for? Holy shit. I got to go coach softball after this. So I did a money video. So I trade stocks and options as well. So I do combined videos. I talk about, and if you go on the Discord, there's a stock and options area and I post all my info and everything. I don't have the exact number because I was being fucking lazy about it for months on end. But if you take my payouts and my stock and options gains, I meant to actually change it on this stream. In the last 3 months, I did 39,000, but I had a shit July. And I think the total is whatever the number is on this stream plus 39,000. I meant to change it and I fucking forgot to. I forgot to change it today. I did the video yesterday. So I come from the options world, Faisal, and I've been doing options since 2017. And I trade with a larger portfolio, and I've just been doing it for so long that that's it. But I told myself, I made the video yesterday, and I said, starting in the new year, I'm going to make a Google spreadsheet. And I'm going to document every payout I get, and you guys can access it at any time. It will just be out there. You just click on the link and you can look at it. See, so I prefer options because I've been doing it a lot longer. I've been doing it for 8 years, and I've been doing stocks for almost 20. So, I mean, when you've been doing something for so long, it's hard to say that I like futures better than options because, I've been doing it for so long. But, you trade SPX. See, I don't actually trade SPX options at all. I stay away from. No, I swing. And it's not. I swing, and it's not 0 day or anything like that. Yeah, I don't. It's just not my thing. 142, 729 plus. What the fuck was that video yesterday? What's crazy is I did this video yesterday, and I never added my fucking My Funded Future payouts. I'm not even adding them now. I don't even care that much. All seriousness, the money is not a the money is like the money. Like, you got to realize every morning you have to wake up and make money, right? So, like, just because I made a lot of money last week or last month, does not mean I'm going to make money today or this week. And I still have to make money this week and next week. Like just because I had a great, so argument's sake, I had a great first 6 months of the year. I talked about this on my video yesterday. I had a great 6 months, right? July came. I really didn't make much money in July. And I didn't make much money in the beginning of August either. I just kind of the market got me. The market got me, man. I talk about it. I talked about in the video yesterday I posted. The market got me. And it happens. And then I finished up August pretty good. Last month I made a lot of money. Last month I made a lot. Out of that 39,000, I think I made like the 30 of it last month. I had a great September. And this month's going pretty good, except for today. I'm down. Today I've given back $3,900. So this month, with prop firm payouts, options, and whatever, after today's payouts, I'll probably be somewhere around 10 grand on the month. And that's with a $4,000 down day today. You got to be open about it. You know what I'm saying? I take losses just like everybody else sometimes. It is. I'm only halfway in the month, so on average, that's 20 grand by the end of the month. But I was up. I was up $15,000 5 days into the month. I was up a lot more. Hey, man, if you just stick to it, you'll get there. There's people that make it doing futures. There's people that make it doing options. There's people that make it doing commodity like gold. Like, you can do it with anything. You have a hard time accepting losses? Yeah. And then you start revenge trading. I wish there was the best way to stop that is find something to do on the computer that will take your mind off of like, I need to trade. On options only? Yeah, options only. I was up over $15,000 within 5 days. I think it was like October 7th. I think I was up like 15 grand on the month already. I'm actually wrong. See, this is why. So I have, hold on. What did I say? After today's payouts, I'm up about 10 grand. I'm actually up more. I forgot about this account. Actually, I'm up $15,000 on the month. This is $5,600 that I'm up this month. And I have a Tasty Trade account. I'm up $5,710 this month. So right there, net is $11,000. I got a $2,000 Tradeify payout coming. So what is that? 13,000, and then a couple of the other payouts, 14. I'm up a little over $14,000 this month. Yeah. I play everything, man. I play everything. I have all my positions. Dude, you guys, I post it right here a lot. Here, I'll show you. So in the Discord, there's a stock and options area. And we'll shoot the shit and I'll post like everything I'm in. This is what Tasty Trade looks like. And there's a bunch of information. If you trade, I post it all. Is trading what I do for my sole income? It is not my sole income. It was my sole income for about 3 years, 4 years. It's not anymore. Back ages ago, I stopped trading for 5 years. I built a business that I still have today. So, but it's on autopilot. I basically trade full time. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I have too. I got kids. I got a wife. It's crazy. A meth factory. I mean, it makes money. It's manufacturing. I'm pretty busy. Owns a few Wendy's. I wish. There's not that many Wendy's I see anymore. I remember I feel like I used to see Wendy's all the time. I don't see Wendy's that much anymore. There's actually no Wendy's by me where I live. Simone, all types of stuff. All types of stuff. Am I going to play MOC today? I probably am not going to play MOC. I'll be honest with you, I made a lot of money today, and I don't want to mess it up. Bro, Roy Rogers? Where are we all from? I live in New York. I'm in New York. There's a ton of people in Texas who are on here. A lot of Texans. Shoot, Wendy's chili. Bro, it's probably salty as fuck. Dude, make your own chili. It costs you like $15 to make your own chili, and you have it for like the week. I make my own chili. Ground chicken. Oh, I throw a ton of stuff in there. Chili lasts me. I'll probably do a thing in Vegas. Oh, you live in Queens? Yeah, you're not too far from me. I'm in Nassau County. I'm from Portugal, but I live in Spain. That's awesome. Lazy. Dude, I love making chili, man. I fucking love it. You know why? I throw some spice into it. I love it. Bro, I can't do MOC. Yeah, I do hot peppers, man. I like you know what's good? Making chili with venison. Get some deer meat in there. Ooh, baby. Yo, this feels like it's gonna fucking run. All right, I got out. I got out real quick. Only because it was up $130. MOC stands for market on close. Watch the candle at 350. Watch. At 350, it's going to spike or dump. Watch. So see how all of a sudden it was up here and then it came all the way down and back real fast? It's orders that are buying or closing at the end of the day that are causing, it caused it to dump 30 points, 25 points, and then back up. Sometimes you'll get like a full-on spike. You just got to watch out if you're in a position. Yo, Brian, 0. I took it off. I'm almost out of funded account for them. Fuck that. Yo, that competition account is smoked, by the way. Damn, today was rough, to be honest. I thought today was awesome, to be honest. Like, we got some crazy moves. Brownwood, Texas. I know someone that lives by Brown Hole, Texas. Are you close to Brown Hole, Texas? Oh, well, there you go. $1,500 scalp. I got to go drive my kid to a freaking softball game in the cold. That's so fucking far. Yeah, I'm out on the affiliate cup thing. I'm just going to keep fucking smoking it. I don't care. I don't care one bit. People talking shit. Bro, this FedEx driver doesn't realize that I have a U-shaped drive. I have a U driveway, and I have a tree that's covering one of the entrances. And these guys keep driving in my driveway, and they can't fucking get out. So now they got to like 3-point turn in my driveway to get out. Aquaman Futures, baby. Yo, we need some engagement. Watch this. Watch this. You ready? Fuck day traders. Yo, day traders sucks. Yo, they're gonna bring this all. Look how you don't even realize that this is 200 points off the bottom, by the way. Yo, we might have a swing trade tonight. You guys are hilarious. Yo, 475 trades. That's it. Yo, you gonna go ice your finger after this? All seriousness, though, we took this wick out. Dude, I think we're going to go all the way back up. Does that sound crazy? I think we go all the way back up. I think we close with a hammer. Yo, we go above. I might take this with like 3 micros. We go above this 4-hour candle. I might take it long. My stop would be whatever the bottom of this candle is. Yo, Kevin Globe. Why are you hating on day traders? I'm just playing. It's just so funny when I say something, everyone comes out. My boy Fret is somewhere on here too. Fret likes day traders. I have one account with Chop Shop Trader. I am not using Chop Shop Trader. Day traders is goal. Yo. If every day was like that today, yo, Elon Musk would be smelling my ass. Yo. Bro, you ain't kidding, man. Today was fucking awesome. Today was awesome. I will say the one thing that kind of is, somebody's going to mention this eventually, but you kind of have a fucking rising wedge here. If you guys know what a rising wedge looks like, this is pretty much a rising wedge. You dumped, you're going to trade up, and then we're eventually going to spill all the way over, and you're going to target down here. This is on the 4-hour chart. In theory, by next week, we should be spilling over. You know, you're going to trade, you know, every time we touch these lines, and then eventually you're just going to go like up here, and then you're just going to spill all the way over. You know, you're touching the trend line, and then you're going to spill over. But I would say that this is what we're going to be in, like the pattern. I would almost play this. I might play this tonight, by the way. I'm looking to go long. I've been swinging overnight. I'm probably going to be looking for a long entry. Looked like. So here's the hourly. I would just want to clear. I would want to clear the top of this candle on the hourly. I would probably get in at 353. And then if we got over 73, that would be like confirmation that we're freaking ripping. Being that we're in this pattern, you're going to have strong support down here. I'm saying like I might do 2 micros and just hold it overnight, not even care. It's tough because it looks like a giant bear flag on an hourly. Yeah, I mean it is. I mean it's a rising wedge. You could call it a bear flag, same thing. Just because where it's positioned. Bear flag and then drop. This is definitely bearish. I just think that you can move, you might go all the way up. You got 400 points that you can go up to the upside. I mean, I don't need 400 points, but I'll take some of it. I just think that we're going to trade in here for a little bit and then down. How it's positioned, tomorrow should be a green day. And then do you feel it's not consolidating yet on the wedge before the drop? It's been consolidating. You have 1, 2, 3, you got touches right here. And you got touches right here. This is the pattern. It's consolidating. Holy shit. Dude, the fucking market just closed? Yo, the market just closed. I didn't realize we were at 4 o'clock. Yo, that was crazy. Yo, it's 4 o'clock already. I didn't even know that. Wow. Okay. It's 4 o'clock. We're dude, that was awesome. Yo, what up, Corey? How you doing today, man? Yo, you know what? I forgot that we had MOC, and then I got caught up in what I'm doing overnight. I just got caught up. Just remember today, if you pass today, today's the last day you can activate $85 lifetime on Apex. So make sure you do your activation fee tonight on if you passed. If you pass, do your activation fee tonight. Otherwise, you're going to pay $125 tomorrow, whatever the fuck it is. Man, we had a massive day. Damn, you blew all your funded accounts, dude? That sucks, man. That sucks. I was just going to recap my day, but now I feel like shit. But yeah, we had a massive day on the stream today. I stacked in Bulenox master accounts, a couple funded accounts on a firm I'm not going to mention. We'll duck race in just a few minutes. I'm going to let people ask questions and stuff like that. I like to give anybody that has a question time to ask now, because maybe they don't want to ask during the day. But if I actually open it up and say, hey, man, ask your questions now, people feel more comfortable doing that. So that's why I leave right after the market open for anybody that's got questions about anything, like anything, stocks, options, futures, prop firms, rules, strategies, whatever it is. I just kind of leave it open to I like to leave a block of time open for people to ask. All the whipsaw just melted you. I'll be honest with you. If this action is not for your trading, you should decrease your size in half. You know, I would go decrease your size in half, and I would move to break even as quick as you can. That's probably what I would do. Yo, the Ducks were looking for you. Don't leave. Yo, later, man. Do I trail every trade? Sometimes. Yeah, most of the time. I most of the time I do. I don't know. I like to make sure I'm protected. It's like, yo, when you're trading in this wild action, it's like you're at a wild bar. It's 3 a.m. and you're just gonna go home with whatever. You got to protect yourself. I protect myself by going to break even. So I wear that account rubber, right? You got to get the account rubber on to protect yourself. And then you kind of let it move around, right? And you could have some fun then, right? You sit back. I let it move around. Yo, I sit back like this. I let the market just move. Let the market have some fun because I know I'm protected. You know? I know I'm protected. You got that, Mick. You'll get it. Most of the time, 3 days. So you got it. But yeah, you got to move to break even. I like doing that. Protect myself. Yeah. Run by the CVS and grab a handful of protection. I mean, just saying. But yeah, if we have more days like this, yo, to get that call, kind of, I'm late. I hope we have days like this. I mean, days like this is where I make money. I mean, we're just moving around a lot. I mean, this is where you could just stack. You know, I would just say, if you're not used to this, start with 1 or 2 micros. Yeah, I mean, it's okay if you try to finish in 2 days, but you're going to finish in 3 days. Give some psychology lessons. I'll be honest with you. You should be waiting for a trade setup every time. If there's not a setup, remember, every trade you take a loss, you got to take a win to get that back. You know. Yeah, to continue for, yeah. Oh, my God. Yo, I didn't even drift today. You probably crushed it. Look at that. Dude, that's a fucking dump. Look at that. Dude, that's a massive dump, John. Yeah, I didn't even think about it. You got to treat this like a business because it is a business at the end of the day. Like, you're here to make money, right? You got to treat it like a business. Yo. I'm trying to think what time I'm going to be home tonight. I try to keep knockout and eval on 2 days if I can. Yeah, I mean, listen, you'd rather just take your time and pass the thing instead of just blowing it up. You know what I'm saying? Yo, what up, Red? You'd rather pass the thing instead of just blowing it up. But, yo, I can't wait to request my freaking money. I will, I don't even have time to make a fucking video. I'll make a video tonight about my freaking requests. All right. We're going to run this thing. I'm going to set it up. Let me see how many. 1, 2. I'm just everyone that submitted today, if I can get it in one race. So if you see yourself more than once, that is fine. We got it all in one race. Nice. Very nice. Here's the deal. I got to go coach. I got dad life. I coach softball for my kids. So I got to go coach. If you're looking for prop firm discounts, that's where I list them all. I stream twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon. Be sure to subscribe. It's a cool hangout. If you want to hang out, be sure to subscribe. We go live pretty much once in the morning, once in the afternoon. Here's a link to our free Discord. If you want to go there and hang out, you're more than welcome. Everything I do is free. I'm not going to try selling you an MLM or a trading course or anything. It's all free. Yeah, always have a daily loss limit, without a doubt. Daily loss limit's great because it stops you from doing some stupid shit. You know? Don't want to do stupid shit. I can tell you that right now. All right, we're going to run the Ducks. Best of luck to everybody. Damn, this market's dumping after hours. Just remember, Trump is there's going to be updates coming out tonight. So just be careful when it comes to Trump's going to talk and whatnot. Quack, quack, baby. I'm my guess is to the upside. Ooh, the old smash the ones, baby. Speed the old duck up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Billy Joe! Are you going to hold on? Trump talking now? Jeez. Billy Joe. Are you here, Billy Joe? Are you here? Ah. Billy Joe. Are you going to be the first person to earn yourself a whammy? Let's see what you've won. Oh, baby. What have you won, Billy? Quack, quack. Oh, man. How nervous are you, Billy? Oh, that whammy. There's one hanging out in the back. Watch that little motherfucker. Look at him. He looks slimy. Uh-oh. This one, premature frontulation, so you don't have to worry about him. Yeah, that whammy. Uh-oh. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy. Stop. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Billy. Billy. Damn, you got double, right? 2 whammies. Bro, that's the first whammy we've seen. Double fucking whammy. Bro. Yo, Corey. I got something for everybody that gets a whammy through the week. I'll have a redemption race on the end of the week. How's that sound? There'll be one more chance to win. I'll hook you up with something. At the end of the week, whoever gets whammies will race me at the end. You get one more chance to do it. I don't want to leave you empty-handed. I feel like I'll give you another chance. We'll do it tomorrow. Mercy for Billy. So if we get through the week and there's multiple whammies, everybody will get into this Friday race, and somebody that got a whammy will win something. I know. I'm trying to be nice. Cove never lets you lose. I know. I try to make it so everybody wins. Free Billy. Hashtag free Billy. Yeah. I know. Yo, Marie. Oh my God. Yo, this drift got fucking wild. I'll remove one of the whammies tomorrow. I'll remove it. I can't believe it took that long for a whammy to win. How's that sound? You guys are fucking so funny. Free Billy. I'll give you another shot. But if you lose that other shot, then I can't help you out. You can't lose twice, Billy. Tell your duck to go work out a little bit. Race Billy versus a whammy. No, CT, not at all. Not at all. Honestly, when the markets start picking up like this, Glacier, you got to size down. You got to size down. 2 whammies and Billy. We'll set it up tomorrow. I gotta go coach softball. I gotta literally leave in 12 minutes from my house. I have 12 minutes to leave. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave, and I will be in the Discord tonight, and I'll be back on the stream tomorrow. Billy, I'll figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. I'll give you another chance. But if you lose twice, Billy, I can't help you out. You gotta fucking go work out or something. You gotta do something. You can't lose twice. Yeah, so if you know when the ATR is very high, then you should play super small, Joseph. All right. Yo, it is super windy out. Nah, there's two whammies, Waldo. And there's like 12 or 14 accounts you can win. I'll figure it out, Billy. Worst comes to worst. Captain. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I got to run. I'm going to get fucking yelled at. I got to go coach. All right. Peace.